So my name is Julian Cray. I'm the founder and director of EcoBoxTech. The original idea of the project was to make recycling easier.
My name is Michael Lennon. I'm a mechatronics engineer at COREMATIC and I'm the lead engineer on the EcoBoxTech reverse vending machine.
The project is about creating a machine that collects, separates and reduce the size of beverage containers. So your plastic bottles, aluminium cans, glass bottles.
My first thoughts on the project were, wow, this is actually a pretty big project and there's a lot of different pieces. How am I going to do this? I did take a lot of the prior knowledge that I had, and this project used a lot of different systems that I had to integrate together.
COREMATIC has been involved from pretty much start to finish with the development of that specific machine. We looked at our options in Australia and COREMATIC quickly came in the picture. I had a relationship with someone working at COREMATIC. We had a first conversation about, do you think this is something that you can do? Yes or no? And it basically started here.
The biggest technical challenge on this project was getting all of the different systems to communicate with each other.
Having a local business really helped us with taking decisions quickly when we needed to shift on one thing to the other. But ultimately, the experience was good, and I think if I had to do it again, I would choose COREMATIC again.